Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce code review bottlenecks with Phabricator, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the common bottlenecks in your current code review process. Analyze the stages where delays occur, such as assigning reviewers or receiving feedback. Introduce Phabricator as a robust tool designed to streamline code reviews. Set up a Phabricator instance if you haven't already. Invite your development team to join the Phabricator instance. Familiarize your team with the interface and key features of Phabricator. Create a dedicated project for your code reviews within Phabricator. Define roles and responsibilities clearly within the project. Encourage developers to submit their code for review through Phabricator's differential tool. Highlight the importance of writing thorough descriptions when submitting changes. Enable reviewers to leave comments directly on specific lines of code. Make sure all team members receive notifications when reviews are assigned or updated. Establish a deadline for code reviews to ensure timely feedback. Implement a process for tracking review progress and consider using Phabricator's built-in metrics to measure review times and identify areas for improvement. Encourage open communication among team members to discuss any review challenges. Regularly revisit and refine the code review process based on team feedback and performance metrics. Foster a culture of continuous improvement to keep the code review process efficient. Promote the use of Phabricator's features, such as the audit and tasks system, to improve accountability. Incorporate regular training sessions to keep your team updated on best practices for using Phabricator. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce code review bottlenecks and enhance your team's productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.